Before we wrap today, I want to share something with you that we refer to as the Whissel widget of the week. This is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun.
This was man, I struggled already. This I was reminded of by my Jeff Cohen. He asked me a question about this. How do you make cool looking captions on your phone? And obviously, so when you're doing videos. So I use Adobe Premiere. We can tweak that to as much as we want on there, but that wasn't a good solution. There's the Captions sticker on TikTok and on Instagram that you can use, which does a good job, but you can't, it's not super adjustable. One of the things, there's an app that I found. I actually saw this on an ad on TikTok called Captions. And what it'll do is it'll actually listen to the video and will actually add captions. Okay, that's nothing new. But then it will highlight certain words and you can change the colors of the words. Words are highlighted. And then what it'll also do is it'll add little emojis. So one of them was like, are you looking to sell your house? And it said house and then it showed a little house emoji. I'm like, oh, this actually gets it a little bit more engaging pretty quickly. And so the app is Captions. And so it's pretty cool.
Love it. The one that I'm going to share today is one that if you are the person who has the keychain that has like 60 little tags on it for all the like grocery stores and the gym and all of that stuff, you have all those little tabs with barcodes on it. This app I found at our church when we drop our daughter off for camp, but we'd always forget the stupid little tag. So I found this app where you just scan the tag one time into the app, and then now you can just show your phone and it has the barcode on it, as opposed to having to carry all the stupid little things around with you. And it's called Stocard, Stocard. So it already is like pre-built to work with a lot of like those types of cards that you have, those loyalty type cards. But it also take like third-party things like a church one and store it in there. So Stocard or Stocard, however you say it, I don't know, but it works.
Not the second way, I don't think.
Gets the job done.
Or you could take a picture of it, I guess.
You could, but then you got to go like find the picture and have like 20 of them. This like organizes them alphabetically. It just makes it easy.
Cool.
Yeah. So what we got for you guys. I hope we got a lot of value out of the show today. Again, I'm Whissel with eXp Realty in San Diego.
I'm Bryan Kochi.
We'll see you next week.
Later.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.